other benefits here is not only for the school but also for the students. So the student will receive international certification, and the certificate that they will receive is coming from informatics. It's not only the certificate, but we are providing also the materials, courseware materials. And all courseware materials are written in English. So when you have the ISO, what do you call it?
International standard of
For the ISO, you can show it to them. So you have the international materials. This is for grade 10. And this is for grade 11. So these materials we give you to the schools. That will be your own property now. And that is from informatics. We provided also the soft copy. Soft copy, we give it already to the IT teachers, to Pawawan, Paatang, and Pawali. The process of this partnership start is, okay, we need to meet and discuss what is the requirements of the school, and then informatics provided it. Then the second time we requested your curriculum, and from there we need to see what areas that we can integrate in the curriculum of SM Asahi in terms of IT. So we covered first only IT because we have also English, Mandarin languages. But here we focus first in IT. After we study the curriculum, so we gave these areas of integration. So as you can see here, this is the curriculum of SM Negri Siamis. On the from your KTSP, and on the right side is the curriculum of informatics. So as you can see there, sir, in your curriculum you have only 2 topics, and then and you see the curriculum of informatics, there are additional topics. Okay, after we agree on the areas of integration, so informatics and the school will sign to agree that this is the courses that we integrate in the curriculum of SM Masyado Tianis. Okay, after the areas of integration, the signing of the memorandum of agreement. I believe Wawan already handled the memorandum of agreement. Uda pa. That one is the certificate of partnership between SMA Certificate Informatics. I bring my copy, but this is only a copy. But you have the original copy here of the memorandum.
We have put it at the headmaster room.
You have there. So in the memorandum of agreement, it's written there the obligation of informatics or mathematics, and what are the obligation of SMAL Santo Chiamis with informatics. After signing the MOU, we conduct the teachers training, or what we call training of trainers. So for the first training, there are 4 teachers who attended and go to Jakarta to attend the training. And what are the topics that we train? The topics that we are training to them is what are the first topics that we should train to our students for every semester. And for every semester, we are giving training for the teachers. This training is not only for IT teachers, but also for non-IT teachers. You can send 5 participants every training. So, just in case that on the agreed schedule of training, the teachers here are not available. So you can request from us that if we can conduct the training here for your teachers it's okay, sir, we can conduct here. Just in case that they are not available, you know. And if it is conduct here, you can send all teachers. It's just fine. So the non-IT teachers, they can attend. Like what we did in one of our partner school last week. The training was held in their school and they sent 40 participants to attend on the training. You can
Where?
in Sekolah Bunda Mulia. That is in Jakarta. Because they cannot attend on the training that we set for all partner schools, so they requested to conduct the training in their school. So they sent all their teachers. 40 participants attended the training. So this is included the IT, non-IT, and admin and staff of the school. They attended the training. And this participant will receive the certificates from Multimatics. So we are giving the certificates to Multimatics. After the training, implementation of the program. So this is the sample certificate.
If the student fail, no
There-
remedial?
There is a remedial exam. Sorry, I forgot to answer that. If the students fail, we are giving them a chance. But as much as possible, we are not encouraging students to
How many times?
only one time.
On science
Theory
class?
lang
It's
yun.
only one.
Theory lang practice.
No, just written, yeah?
It will be depend. If they failed in the project, they need to repeat the project.
Kalau prakteknya
If
gagal.
Yeah, if they failed in the written exam,
tulis,
they need
tulis.
to repeat the written exam.
Okay.
If they fail both, they need to
Both.
repeat both.
Cuma sekali dua-duanya.
Yeah.
Yeah, only one time. But if they still want to get the certificates, they can join on the following year. We cannot give at the same semester, on the following year. So they need to join again the examination, they need to submit again the project. That will be the, if the students really want to receive the certificates. This is the sample certificates. This is the, do we have the, actually B is certificate of achievement. There is, this is the grade 10 and grade 11 student will receive this certificate. For the graduating student, they will receive this certificate.
This is big. Good. This is good.
What is the difference? Good and very good, but B too.
Hmm?
This one the same. This one is B good, but that one B very good.
No, there is, I'm sorry, actually there is wrong entry here. This is attendance. The result here, if B is good, very good actually is A. Sorry, there is wrong here.
Yeah.
A is very good,
Very
B
good.
is good, C pass. If the student get a grade of C,
Mhm.
they still have a chance to get a certificate of achievement. They will join the remedial examination. But if they don't want to improve their grade,
C is enough.
so C is enough. We just give only certificate of attendance.
Yeah.
Yeah. For their third grade, they will receive this informatics certificate. This is given on the third grade. So this is for class 3.
Jadi kayak
Kelas tiga kan ada yang
Belum
masih
ada
ikut.
kita.
So for this year, no class 3.
Yeah.
So the one who will receive is class 10 and class 11.
So you get just mathematics, not
Yeah.
informatics, yeah.
And then you will ask, yeah, because on the certificate, what is the title of the certificate for grade 10? Certificate in Information Technology. So you might ask, what about the subjects? Because if you show this to it, they don't know what is advanced certificate. Actually, we will give them transcript of records on the third grade. So it covered all the subjects that they have taken in informatics.
So grade and 11, they will not.
No transcript. Transcript will be given on the third grade. Only one transcript. Because if we give it every year, they will receive too many transcript of records.
Kelas 10 mah dapat ya.
sertifikat
11-10.
Iya.
Kan udah 3 tahun.
Tara international. But for example, for this year grade 12 join, just for example, if they join, they will receive right away the informatics. Because there is no chance for them to receive again.
So
because
they
didn't-
can join the examination in December,
No,
For the-
if we join the grade 12
the
for
12th
this
grade.
year, yeah,
Yeah.
they will receive right away the informatics.
For instance, we just joined first and second grade, but our third grade want to join the test. Is no possible.
Because the test that we're giving is what is the content that we deliver to the students.
But if our students are able to do this,
Still knows.
bisa.
Yeah,
Pasti
bisa.
bisa.
There is a certificate of attendance.
Yeah.
It means your attendance and doing it step by step is more important for informatic.
Because we are submitting the list of students we are submitting in Singapore. All student list of students.
Yeah.
Certificate of
Yeah.
attendance.
Yeah, I know.
They want to see you grow.
Mm-mm. Okay. So far, no questions.
No.
Okay. See,